Moto Talk. What do you guys know about this BRYCE SHELLY kid? He turned a lot of heads at REDBUD this weekend, and what was probably the most stacked 450 class yet this year, with Sexton and Anderson coming back. He got a 15-12 for 11th overall, and I believe it was only his second pro race ever. I think High Point was his first. He actually picked up the FMF Privateer Power Award this weekend. Here he is on his Yamaha. If you go over to Instagram, he's got around 12,000 followers. It seems like he is from Pennsylvania, and he has this. This is like a write-up that looks like Moto Playground did on him a couple years ago. It says Bryce Shelley's displayed some serious speed over the course of the last few seasons, impressing in the super mini classes at the one and only Loretta Lynn Amateur National Motocross Championship last August. Seems like he also podiumed at some Tampa Supercross Futures. So I believe he, finished right around 20th in his first race ever at High Point, and his second race he's already up to 11th in the 450 class. So he's making a name for himself really quick. We might need to keep an eye on this guy. And you guys know I love those privateers coming from anywhere in Appalachia.